Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in today's tutorial you're going to learn how to make this very cute ladybug bracelet. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so you're going to take your 260 and you're not going to inflate it very much because you don't need much of this balloon at all. Maybe 2 pumps. Okay, not much at all. Okay, I burped it. I'll tie it off. Okay, I'm going to make my 1-inch bubble for my face. And then I'm going to make a pinch twist. I'm going to grab that nozzle. I am going to fold it in half. Pull. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton. And it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. As I'm pulling up, I'm twisting. And that's going to create a pinch twist, okay? Just like that. Now we're going to need the feet. We're going to do 4 1-inch bubbles, pinch and twist. Remember to always go in the same direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is what you should have. I'm holding on to my first bubble and my last bubble. Then I'm going to fold this, and I'm going to tie this last section at the end of this last 1-inch bubble into the pinch twist. So you're going to fold it, and you're going to twist. Okay? This is your body. You're going to take the rest of the tail of this bubble, and you're going to put it through where the 4 feet are, and you're going to grab it. And you're going to grab and pull until this section of that top bubble meets the section of the 4 feet. So you pull it through. Right where they meet. Okay? Now, just to make sure that's locked, I just pull this back through again. And this is what you have. Now, this part of the balloon is going to become the bracelet. So we just turn it over, you take this, and you just tie it into that pinch twist, or you wrap it around. Okay? If you want to tie it, you can, but you don't have to. And you just hide that nozzle, and now you have a bracelet. Okay? And then, of course, you have to do your artwork, and I'll do that now. Take this off, and I just do 2 round circles, and I do some little eyelashes, and I do 1 big smile. Okay, and then of course you need the dots. So I do a line straight down the back. Okay, and I create a little triangle toward the back, and then I color it in. Okay, and then I go ahead and I create my dots. Remember, you're going to have a line of kids, so make these big dots so that you can be done. Okay, and it reads Ladybug. And they don't have to be, of course, the same size. Okay, and there's my little dots. And there you have it. A cute Ladybug bracelet. Now, you can do the same exact recipe, but do it in green. And you will then have yourself a turtle bracelet, okay? All right, happy twisting, and thank you for watching, y'all.